Getting PPF done on your prized possession? How do you know it's fake or original? Original PPF always comes in factory sealed packaging with clear branding, no loose rolls, no guesswork. That seal isn't just a packaging, it's proof of authenticity, quality, and warranty assurance. Ask for a self-healing demo. Real PPF heals, cheap films don't. Always choose a certified PPF applicator. Your car deserves expertise, not experiments. At Neaten, certified hands, premium material, and precision installation come as standard. With Neaten PPF, every car gets authentic material, certified installation, and e-warranty backed by industry leaders.